The crime problem has the governor working with lawmakers to crack down on violent criminals. She's supporting some bills that had been introduced by Republicans before but failed to pass, and some new ones that will increase sentences for certain crimes. News 13's Gabe Chavez is live downtown with a look.
Governor Grisham says that if these changes are passed by the legislature, that they will make New Mexico streets safer.
And I think it's also critical that we talk about that this is not just an Albuquerque issue. This is a state issue.
Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham is backing 3 bills to fight crime. The first would change pretrial detention rules. Right now, it is the prosecution who has to prove why someone should stay behind bars before trial. The new bill would put the pressure on the defense as to why someone should be out before trial.
If you've committed a violent crime, the burden is on you to demonstrate why it would be safe to have you go back into the community. That creates an opportunity for us to be clear, for the judicial branch to have a statutory requirement.
A second bill would increase a prison sentence for second-degree murder by 3 years and would take away the statute of limitations.
1 for second-degree murder increases jail time. The issue is we want to make sure that folks who are thinking about, who are engaged, who are recruited in any activity that puts them in a position to commit a homicide and violent crime, you're going to jail for a very, very long time.
The third is going after people committing crimes with guns. It would now be a felony to commit a crime with a gun. The governor also wants to create a $100 million fund to help with the hiring of officers across the state. The package would also include a substantial raise for state police officers.
We need to have the right reimbursements and the right salaries for state police officers. And we're asking the legislature to give them a 19% raise.
I don't have to tell all of you or the citizens that a lot of law enforcement agencies are down officers at this time. And we have to figure out ways to fill those ranks, because these bills, if enacted into law, are worthless if there's nobody there to enforce them.
Lawmakers are expected to take up the bills at the legislative session that starts next week. Back to you.
Okay, thanks, Gabe. Now, the bill on pretrial detention and changing the burden of proof has been introduced by Bill Ream since 2018 without success. That Republican is behind many of these crime bills. He was there today at the press conference. Now, the Office of the Public Defender did send a statement today expressing concern about some of these proposals, saying these bills focus on police, prosecutors, and punishment, and ignore how this would impact the courts, public defenders, jails, and prisons.